again what?
What's going on here?
You are a prostitute.
God help me now, guy.
Anyway, babe, I got what you asked me to buy. Let me use the restroom.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this?
Babe! Your food is ready.
Hey, how many people get this food?
It's you, Nan.
Me? Yes. Today not be my birthday now. Waiting there.
I want you to eat well.
Okay.
But wait though. You catch me the cheat on top of our bed. You don't even slap me or ask me how could you? And I was waiting patiently to tell you it's not what you think. You just walk out there, come prepare pepper chicken and pepper turkey for me. Babe, you really want pepper my life?
Babe, I know you cheated on me, and I know it's a mistake. You're loving, you're caring, and I know it's the handwork of the devil.
Liar! See, if you not show me before, but now you show me that you say you want to kill me. Eh? You want to use me camp on for your sisterhood up here? Eh? When I will tell my brother, I will tell them I'm talking and kill me.
You must eat this food though.
I'm doing fasting. I clear.